Welcome, friends! Wanna hunt for the best deals together? Subscribe to join me and check links below. Busy families, health-conscious millennials, and office managers looking to cut plastic waste will all love Brita Elite Filter Replacements. A household of 4 can skip buying roughly 1,800 single-use bottles each year, saving money while keeping kids' drinks free of 99% of lead and chlorine that cause off flavors. In a small office, swapping the old pitcher for an Elite means the filter only needs changing twice a year, about every 6 months, so staff spend less time maintaining equipment and more time focusing on work. Outdoor enthusiasts who refill their cooler at the beach appreciate the blue, BPA-free design and pull-top cap that lets them replace the filter without pre-soaking, delivering crisp water instantly. The long-lasting performance solves both convenience and safety concerns for these groups.